going on, everyone? And if you're looking for a gaming Bluetooth speaker and a 65-watt charger, this is a good pair for you. And if you like the design, this is from Gravastar, and this is the Supernova and the Alpha 65. I personally like the Gravastar design, so we're gonna go ahead and open this up and see how well it does as well. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. It is an affiliate link, so it does help the channel a lot if you buy it from there. So let's open it up. Here we go. Oh, it's beautiful. Boom. Now you do get aux-in cable with that, so that you can plug it in wired if you want. Comes with a USB-C cable as well for charging, and then has this little accessory. Find that out later where to put that, and the instruction manual, and that's it for that. Now for the Supernova, really cool design here, super textured. I've never seen any Bluetooth speakers aside from Gravastar. Like, look at the feet on this. Looks like this guy has been through hell. So you could see the sound comes from the bottom. It says a G5, sound from the future. The controls are all up here. So you could see it's when you turn it on. Oh,
ready to pair.
Very nice. Volume up and down right here. Look at that. Just turns on like so. Even has lights on the feet as well. So you could see. Pairing mode right now. Now let's go ahead and pair this with our iPhone. Pretty much you're just gonna go to your Bluetooth on your phone, and you should see it on the bottom there, Gravastar Supernova. And then we're gonna pair it.
Bluetooth connected.
As you can see there, it's connected. Now you could turn on and off the lights there if you want, but why would you, right? Keep it on, right? You can also hook it from the top here if you want. As you can see there, very nice design. Let's try out some music here. Let's see how well it does. Looks nice. The colors as well changes, as you can see there. I'm about halfway on the sound there as well, on the volume. Let's go up a bit here. 3/4 of the way. Oh, the bass is good, man. Yeah, you could really feel that like thump in there. All the way up now. Let's go. For those of you who are wondering, of course you can use this for gaming as well. Let's try that out right now. Let's game out on my phone here. We're playing the Call of Duty mobile. Now, one thing I like about the Gravastar Supernova is that its super rugged look makes it feel like you can bring this anywhere with you, and even if it gets scratches, it's okay because it has built-in scratches on it already, right? But that's part of the design, and it looks pretty eclectic for me, kind of like the end times, right? Like when all the robots kind of took over the world. This is kind of like the design. Looks very nice. And then I like how this kind of glass globe here shows off the lights, kind of like a little light show in the middle there, which is really awesome. Let's go kill these guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Contact with enemy.
Oh, there's guys here, right here. Let's go. Oh, someone there.
Enemy down.
Let's go. Final kill, bud. Let's go. Let's put this aside for now. Let's open up these 65 watts. So inside you do get these stickers. Look at this thing. It's beauty. And that is the charger. I've never seen anything like it. 65 watt charger right there. It can actually open up and this will stand, as you can see there. Look at that. Come on. You can't just not get one of these. Come on, man. Look, it stands too. Whew. Beauty. And then of course in the bottom, that's how you charge. You just fold the legs back, right? You can easily plug it into the wall. Very nice. Has a LED lighting as well in the front there. Comes with a little instruction manual there. And these little antennas right here, you get to build it like so. There you go. That's it. Look. Isn't that little... That's very cute. Now this is the charging ports for the Alpha 65. This bottom part is 65 watts by itself. So if you're plugging in, make sure to use this so that you can, for your MacBook Pros or your iPhone, your iPads, that's the one you want to plug into. But if you have multiples, this becomes 45 and then they share it with this. But by itself, that's what it would be. 20 watts right here and then 18 up here. Now on the bottom here, everything, all the information is written there as well if you want to see it. Of course, plugging it in is just real easy right there. And as you could see, the lights on the ice turns on, kind of like a little bug that sits right on your plug. Kind of looks like it's climbing on there. It's pretty sweet. After plugging in, as you could see, the lights fade out slowly. That's pretty cool. It was still on there for a second. And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice in a brand new 65 watt charger right here and a gaming Bluetooth speaker like so. I would definitely recommend this for people who likes to have little trinkets on their computer gaming setup, and also very functional as well. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. This is the Gravastar Supernova and also the 65 watt Alpha 65. Thanks for watching, everyone. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.